Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by preparing a game-ready image. Keep it PNG or JPG under 1024 by 1024 and small file size for speed. Once done, sign into Roblox, go to Create, choose Decal, and upload your file. This is the only built-in way to get images into Roblox. Make sure to wait for approval. When it's approved, copy the numeric Decal ID from the URL. That ID is how you reference the picture in Studio. In Studio, load your place and ensure Explorer and Properties panels are visible. Next, add the object that will hold the image, a part for in-world decals or a screen GUI with an image label for UI. Once the element exists, insert a decal for parts or set the image property of the image label. Then paste the copied ID as //123,456,789. Replace with your decal ID. This binds the uploaded image to the object, so now test. Play in Studio and in a server instance to confirm the image appears for you and others. If it's oversized or blurry, resize or compress the original and re-upload. Change the decal, face, or adjust image label size and slice settings to fix stretching. If the image doesn't show, make sure the asset is approved, the //asset is exact, and the place's permissions allow the asset. Also verify network replication if it's server-client related. One key tip: re-upload and update the ID when caching causes stale results.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.